In this video, we are going to see how we can transfer files from the Google Drives to a USB flash drive. So if you want to keep a separate backup of the files that you already have on Google Drive to a USB drive or some other storage device, here's how you can easily do it. First of all, I have already connected my USB flash drive. Here it is. And if you want to access Google Drive, here's a simple way of how you can do it. You just write drive.google.com and it will directly open the Google Drive that is linked to a specific ID. Now, if we, let's say, want to transfer all the files or a specific file, what you can do is just hover over to the corner of the file name or a folder name. You just click on it once and it will be selected. Now, if you want to select all of them, just press Ctrl A and all will be selected. And for this to do, you must make sure that you are in the My Drive section. Only here you can do it this way. Now, what you can also do is, let's say you want to select a couple of files, but not all. You will hold mouse click and just start dragging over. So whatever files and folders you want to select, you will only select those portions. So you can do that as well. So what we have done is we have selected a couple of files that I want to download, and then we will just choose this download option that's sitting right above this. Click on this, and if it shows you any harmful software for your device message, if you're sure about what data you have, you click on download anyway, and it will zip the files for you. Just wait for it to complete. And actually, let me just make it short so that I can quickly show you. I'll just select a couple of files that I want to download. Click on download from here, and now it's zipping 8 files. Now, once this is zipped, it will automatically download it for you. All you have to do is just click on the folder that it has downloaded. You can click on show in folder and it will take you to this file location. And from here, you can either cut it, copy it, and paste it to your USB file location. And I'll just paste it here by pressing Ctrl V. And now if you want to extract it, just right click on this, click on extract all. You don't need to change the location, just click on extract on the same file location, and then you have this extracted folder right here. After that, if you decide to delete it, you can easily delete it from here. And now we have an extracted folder directly saved from Google Drive. So that is how you can transfer all of the files from your Google Drive directly into a flash drive or an external drive. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.